Have ye heard of the toothworm, a nasty creature that dwells in the tooth and feeds off its roots? The worm drinks the blood and eats the roots of the teeth. There are many methods in which to treat this malady and the pain it causes. I will touch upon a few. When the worm moves, there would be pain, and when it is still, there will be no pain. One method to get rid of the worm was to place a few drops of oil of vitriol, which is sulfuric acid, into the cavity. The worm could be lured out by coating a tooth in honey. When the worm emerged, it would be grabbed and removed. Spitting into a frog's mouth would make the pain feel better, but you would still need to get the worm removed. The tooth would be fumigated with burned henbane seeds. Henbane is a mild narcotic. It should be noted that the ash of burned henbane seeds does resemble worms. This would be very convincing to the patient that they had been cured of their toothworm. The worm could be smoked out with a mixture of charcoal and beeswax, then sealed with powdered henbane and gum mastic. Mastic is plant resin. The toothworm is mentioned in a Babylonian cuneiform tablet titled Legend of the Worm. It reads, "After Anu had created heaven, heaven had created the earth had created the rivers had created the canals had created the marsh, and the marsh had created the worm. The worm went weeping before Shamash, his tears flowing before Ea. What wilt thou give me for my food? What wilt thou give me for my sucking? I shall give thee the ripe fig and the apricot. Of what use are they to me, the ripe fig and the apricot? Lift me up, and among the teeth and the gums cause me to dwell. The blood of the tooth I will suck, and of the gum I will gnaw its roots." I personally find the toothworm to be a very fascinating creature. I hope to obtain a specimen in the future, but for now, good day, or good night, and may you never be afflicted with the toothworm.